Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Intercom for customer engagement, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Intercom website and creating an account if you haven't already. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the primary features displayed on the left sidebar. Start by setting up your team by navigating to the Team section. Add team members by clicking on the Invite button and entering their email addresses. Define roles and permissions for each team member according to their responsibilities. Next, move to the Inbox section to manage customer inquiries effectively. Here, you can view all incoming messages in one centralized location. Utilize the Assignments feature to distribute conversations among team members. Now, let's set up a custom greeting message for new visitors. Go to the Messages section and create a new message. Personalize the message by addressing your visitors directly and providing value. Make sure to target the right audience by setting conditions for visibility. After crafting your greeting, save the message and activate it. Next, navigate to the Help Center to create helpful articles for customers. Add frequently asked questions to provide quick assistance. Ensure that the articles are easy to navigate and visually appealing. Once you've added content, promote your Help Center through chatbots. Open the Bots tab to set up automated responses for common questions. Customize the bot's responses to align with your brand's tone. Test the chatbot functionality to ensure it operates smoothly. Now, focus on utilizing customer data for personalized engagement. Check the Customer section to view profiles and interaction histories. Use this information to tailor conversations and improve customer relationships. Next, assess engagement metrics in the Reports section. Analyze data to understand customer behavior and identify areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your messaging strategy based on these insights. Finally, regularly update your content and messaging to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.